Here's how to play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile in 2026. Now, if you're already in the Please Donate game here and you wanted to go around and maybe you wanted to go to a new stand, let's say this one that is owned by someone else and you wanted to donate Robux to them, all you need to do is go up to the stand and you can tap on any of these Robux items and you can see you can just gift or buy Robux that will be sent to the other person. So essentially, Please Donate allows you to either receive Robux or to send Robux to other people. But let's say instead of doing that, you want to go back and you want to find an empty stand. Let's say there's this one. That one just got taken. So let's go to a different one. Essentially, you're going to just find an empty stand where there's nobody standing next to it. This is a good one. You can press and hold on here, and you can see just like that, I can claim it. I can tap on it and tap on the edit button here. If I wanted to edit it, I can edit the booth, the text. If I wanted to say, instead of your text here, I can just say, hi friends, something like that. And just like that, if I do that, you'll be able to see it edits that text to hi friends. You can change the booth color and theme, the text, all of that stuff. And now when anyone else goes to your stand, they'll be able to donate Robux to you. However, if you haven't already created passes, the little 10 Robux, 50 Robux, 100 Robux, then you'll need to create those first so that people can then donate to you. To be able to do that, we need to hop out of the Please Donate game. So tap on Robux at the top left, and then let's tap on Leave, and then Leave. So now we're no longer in the Please Donate game, but let's create those passes so that other people will be able to donate to you. To be able to do that, we're going to tap on More at the bottom right and then Create. Now, this used to be a third-party website that you had to go to, but now it's built into the app if you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer. Now, from here, you'll be able to see you're in the home screen. At the very top left, let's tap on those three lines and then go to Creations. Everybody will have a place. You can see in this case, Carolina 1010's place. If I tap on it and tap on those three dots at the top right, you want to make sure this is public. If this is private, it won't work. So essentially where it says make private towards the bottom, you want to make sure that says make private. If it says make public, just tap on it to create it as a public place. Now let's go into that place by tapping on it, and you'll be able to see I'm in Carolina's 10's place. And if I scroll down, you'll be able to see a bunch of information about that. Now, once we're in your place, we'll be able to start creating that pass. So let's tap on those three lines again at the top left, and then we'll scroll down, and then under monetization, we'll tap on passes. You can see if you scroll down, you might already have Robux passes that you have created. However, if you've never created one, you just need to tap on Create a Pass. And you can see I can change the image to something if I wanted to, and I can name this to, let's say, Hi Friends, same as before. You can add a description, etc., and hit Create Pass. However, after you've done that, it's not technically for sale yet. You need to mark this as for sale and set a price for it to be able to actually add it to the Please Donate game. So let's scroll down here and you can see there's Hi Friends, and if I swipe over, it says it's off sale. So I need to tap on Hi Friends here to open it up. And after I've done that, I'll be able to tap on those three lines at the top left and go to Sales. Now you can see the sale item for sale is turned off. All I need to do from here is toggle it on and set a price. Keep in mind, when you do set a price, Roblox will take 30%. So if it's 100 Robux, you'll get 70 Robux and Roblox will get 30 Robux. Now, after you've done that, you can just hit Save Changes. And after you've done that, you'll be able to see if I go back out of here to all of my passes, you can see all of the passes that you currently have enabled, including the one that I just created called Hi Friends at the very top. Now, when you go back into Please Donate, you'll essentially be able to claim a stand and people will start to be able to donate Robux to you based on the specific passes that you've just created.